All right, hello everyone. This is Coach King. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. So today I'll be going over your guys' nutrition project. Okay, it's Unit 1, titled Nutrition, Are You What You Eat? Okay, some of the challenges that I have for you in this project is one, to learn about the food groups, nutrients, and health benefits of a balanced diet. I want you guys to practice making healthy snacks and following recipes. And then lastly, what you're going to be doing for this project is creating a Google presentation reflecting on your knowledge and your nutritional goals. So the first thing you're going to be doing for this project is you're going to be completing a survey, okay? Asking you about your eating habits, what do you eat on a typical day, what are your nutritional goals, things of that nature. Then what I'm going to have you do is watch a short video on the five food groups, okay? And then you're going to complete a quiz reviewing the content that was presented in the video. Moving on to the explore and research section. What I want you guys to do is to create slides for each food group. For instance, we have the dairy slide, okay? And what you're going to be doing is including information regarding different dairy choices, serving sizes, the health benefits of dairy, and then what you're going to do is find a recipe, okay? And I list 2 websites you can use here for dairy, and look up recipes that include dairy in them. And then once you find the one that you enjoy and that you like, you're going to go ahead and copy and paste that recipe onto the dairy slide. And you're going to repeat this process for all of them. I attached extra resources for the veggie and for the protein and for the grains, where you can get more information regarding these specific food groups. And all you have to do is click on them. Some are videos and some are websites, okay? And now under the apply and create section, I go over in detail what my expectations are. So either individually or in groups of 2 or 3, you're going to create a presentation going over in detail the 5 food groups listed above. In your presentation, I want to make sure you guys have a title page, include the title and the names of the individuals that completed the project. Now this is just a template, 1 to 2 slides for each food group, but if you guys want to add more slides, you're more than welcome to do so, okay? Point number 7 is for extra credit. You're going to include a slide with a picture of you and your parents/guardians making one of the recipes listed in your presentation. Now I'm going to go ahead and say, if you don't want to add one of those recipes on that you had on your presentation, find another recipe that you like that you didn't post on there, and go ahead and make it with your family, and take a picture of the food, or maybe you and your family making it, and post it on that 7-point slide, and that will be extra credit. Okay, it's a great opportunity for you guys to learn right about these food groups with your family, get involved with your family, to create a delicious meal. Okay, now this should be in digital format. I'm giving you guys an option. So if you want to create this presentation using WeVideo, you're more than welcome. If you want to use Google Slides, Adobe Spark, PowerPoint, you have options. So here are your options. You can choose whatever you feel more comfortable. Some students are not familiar with WeVideo, so they do a Google Slide, and some are familiar with PowerPoint. So do what you're most comfortable doing. I also listed here how to use these platforms. So if you're interested, I don't know about WeVideo, but I want to get to know about it, then here's a video on how to use it, and maybe you can go ahead and use that platform to create your presentation. Now in regards to the reflection part, you're going to create a Flipgrid. All you have to do is click on this link here, and you're going to reflect on your learning process. I want you to talk about anything you would have liked to do differently in this project, what you learned, and what you enjoyed or disliked about the project. And your video should be at least 60 seconds, okay? So nothing under 60, but I also don't want a 10-minute video. So as long as you get all the information that I want in that video, you'll be fine. Once you've done that, this is where you're going to post your guys' project. You're going to click on this Google form and fill out some information, your first, your last name, your grade, and then you're going to copy the link to your project onto this Google form. And then last but not least, guys, your evaluation. You'll be assessed with an inclusive rubric. Okay, so if you want to know what that rubric and what my expectations are in detail, you're going to go and click on this link, this rubric link, and it's going to go over detail what I'm going to be grading you on. Okay, so make sure to include everything that is listed in that rubric, because it's what I will be using to grade your guys' project. If you guys have any further questions in regards to this nutritional project, please feel free to email me. I'm available any time of day. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and I'm looking forward to seeing your guys' projects. Take care.